The messy container drawer. We all have it. Here are 3 ways to make your food storage contained. Reusable food storage containers are a staple in any household, but they can be bulky and take up a lot of space. Fortunately, if stored properly, they'll make your cooking experience much smoother. Up first, we have the stack and store. Investing in a complete set of food storage containers saves space because they stack inside each other so much easier. These glass square food containers can be found at the Container Store. Utilizing bamboo expandable drawer dividers is a great way to separate the lids from the containers. The second solution is to keep it together. By matching a lid to a container, you will never have to worry about missing a piece of the puzzle. It makes it super easy to grab and go. The final solution is to bin it. Clear bins are used best in cabinets for easy access. Always remember to clean as you work through your space. Investing in a label maker is a great way to stay super organized. Hopefully these organization tips can help you with your food storage containers.